Located on the 19th floor of the Century Marina Hotel, is a luxury boutique restaurant perfect for vlogging. It offers premium steaks, a sophisticated romantic atmosphere, and breathtaking marina views. Key, visually engaging highlights include tableside service and a smoking culinary theme. Focus on premium steaks and Mediterranean-influenced dishes, featuring high-quality wagyu, rich desserts, and specialized smoky preparations, dramatic knife-to-table cuts, tableside service, and panoramic views of the city marina.
Video. Yeah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Thank you. Thank you. Hey. Thank you. How did you know I love color black? It's all black.
Sarcastic yan siya, girls.
No, I'm not.
I'm not though.